Welcome back. Continuing the news, today was day 4 of the Uchence gang trial. It continued with the former gang member, now state witness, outlining the extent to which the gang goes about carrying its illegal criminal activities. Now, TVJ's Kirk Wright has been following the trial and once again joins us live. Kirk?
Janada, interesting things in court. Today, the state witness, who was also a member of the Uchence gang, told the court that the gang targeted a businessman who he knew very well from St. Ann. The witness also told the court that the man's business place was watched for about 3 times a day for a week. He said the gang brought out all their resources, manpower and otherwise, because they felt hitting on this particular business place was no ordinary robbery, because he says the operator is well known and respected in the community. For that robbery, he said about 13 men from the gang went that night. The witness said on the day of the robbery, he told them he had to take out his girlfriend and that he could not make it to the robbery. But he says the following day, a gang member visited him and said, "Jono Star, you should have come at the robbery last night. You'd have made millions." He then said the vehicle driven by the gang member had lots of money, different currencies on the floor, and that he was given $80,000 and an additional $40,000 the following day. He also says that on another occasion in Bogwalk, St. Catherine, while they were in the process of robbing a store which sells animal feed, the police approached and they had to abandon their loot. That same night, after leaving the location in Bogwalk, the witness said they saw an elderly man whom they also robbed. In another instance, he described how they staked out in a cemetery for over 3 hours in St. Ann, watching the house before making their move to break in. The witness says at that robbery scene, they only managed to get 3 cellular phones because the police approached and they had to make a hasty retreat. The witness also said he took the phones to a place in Halfway Tree to get them unlocked before he could take them to another location in Crossroads for them to be sold. Again, very interesting things happening, and we expect to hear much more from the witness come Monday.
All right, so just to be clear, the prosecution, they're the ones questioning the witness currently.
Yes.
And when will be the turn of the defense, do you know?
Well, they haven't said and we're not sure, but we can expect this to be a very lengthy trial, as they've said in court today.
All right, thank you so much, Kirk Wright, with that report. In other news, a 7-year-old